Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan. And guys, today is day 15. Oh my God, we are halfway through October. Can you believe it, guys? If you are new to this channel and this is your first time tuning in, I will link a playlist up above so that you can catch up if you so desire. And again, today is day 15 of God's promises, and the title of God's promise for today is Jesus is coming back for you. And so I'm going to go ahead and get right into reading the word. I will be reading from John chapter 14, verse 1 through 11. All right. And so after I read the word, I will get right into writing out the scripture, and I will come back and close out with you guys. All right. I will see you in a bit. Don't let your hearts be troubled. Trust in God and trust also in me. There is more than enough room in my Father's home. If this were not so, would I have told you that I am going to prepare a place for you? When everything is ready, I will come and get you, so that you will always be with me where I am. And you know the way to where I am going. No, we don't know, Lord, Thomas said. We have no idea where you are going, so how can we know the way? Jesus told him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one can come to the Father except through me. If you had really known me, you would know who my Father is. From now on, you do know him and have seen him. Philip said, Lord, show us the Father, and we will be satisfied. Jesus replied, Have I been with you all this time, Philip? And yet you still don't know who I am? Anyone who has seen me has seen the Father. So why are you asking me to show him to you? Don't you believe that I am in the Father and the Father is in me? The words I speak are not my own, but my Father who lives in me does his work through me. Just believe that I am in the Father and the Father is in me. Or at least believe because of the work you have seen me do. That is the end of the reading of the word. I have just read from John chapter 14 verses 1 through 11, and God's promise is titled Jesus is coming back for you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into writing out the scriptures, and I will see you back in a bit. All right, guys, I have finished writing out the scripture from John chapter 14, verses 1 through 11. And this is day 15 of God's promise, titled Jesus is coming back for you. All right, guys, I will see you back tomorrow. Bye.